Welcome to Engineering Striker. So in today's video we will going to discuss about how to set up the units in AutoCAD. In the last video we had a quick glimpse on what is AutoCAD Mechanical 2023. So today we will going to discuss about how to set up a units and let's get started, guys. So here I have opened the AutoCAD already. Go to the file section, select the template, then you can see we have entered into the workspace area. Now as this is a command based software, so command based software means it can interpret the command which we type. So since we need to type the units and we have to set that, so just type the units, press enter to enable the command. Now you can select the units and its type accordingly, like if it's in inches, so I need to go for the millimeters in case I have that requirement. Then press OK and your units get set. Now this is how the units of your workspace has been set out. Then these are the layouts. However, it's showing blank because we haven't drawn anything in our workspace area. And the next session that includes is basically the 2D tools, on like how we will going to create the sketches and all with the help of these tools, then followed by the editing commands and how to give the dimensions that we will going to discuss in the upcoming session. So just a closing tip or a future video tool that we will going to discuss, since this is a command based software and the first tool that we will going to use is the line. So just press the line, select any point you want, say write down the 0 point, so this will go into the origin of here. Then press the scroll bar just to make it in a pan move. Then if you want to create a 25mm length, just write down 25, press enter, then press escape, and you can see by zooming the mouse scroller the line has been created. Since it's not again showing in the layout because the origin has to be set up here, that I will going to discuss with you in the upcoming videos. So for today that's all, and see you guys in the upcoming video sessions. So stay tuned, do like, share and subscribe our video. Goodbye, take care.